You guys, I'm literally kind of rushing because I am going to the gym and my bus will be the 5:15. So if I don't leave right now, I will not make it in time with the bus. So I'm just thinking not to bring my headphones, but I'm gonna bring them anyways. And I need my water. So rain, if you guys don't know that, love the smell. Wait, okay, yeah, the truck is still down. How do you unlock this thing? Oh yeah, this is my beautiful house in the back. Well, I can show you guys to the back because I'm not in the front. So yeah, that's the only reason why I'm showing. Because it's just an ugly color, you guys. Just an ugly color. I'm taking the bus. The reason why I'm not like having my own car because I don't have my driving license yet. If not, I will be taking my own car. Give me 1 second. It has water, so I don't have to fill it up. Oh my! Luckily, I don't have to fill it up, so I just have to put ice on. So, yeah, that's where I'm gonna go right now. I have to take the 665 to 106. I don't know. But yeah, I am going to the camp right now, which is the battery's about to die. If I knew I was going to the gym, I will leave my phone charging, but I always do this. But I have no phone charge until the end of the night. I'm gonna be listening to music on the bus too. I have to leave right now. Literally right now. Okay. I will see you guys when I get to the bus. What time is it now? 5:07. I still have time, but you never know. I will see you guys when I'm on the bus. What is up, guys? I am finally home. Yes, I'm finally home. I just don't know what to do right now. I think I'm gonna clean my room and make some food or something. 10 minutes, okay. We have each other locations. I want to check how many steps I have today. 5,000 steps, that's it. A couple seconds later, literally a couple seconds, only a couple minutes later, I decided to make some organic pancakes. Got from Whole Foods, I think. Right now my mom is doing like organic foods, organic milk with everyone. Right now. And I have lights of candle lights in my house. All over my house. Even my room has candle lights. I do love them. At the same time, I don't love them because of filming purposes. I have to get off my studio lights and stuff like that. I hate that noise. I just don't like about that noise. Okay, I have not even heated up my... and next thing what I'm telling you guys, in the last video, it has baby proof. Like, the owner of our house has baby proof. I was like debating if I want to cook pancakes. 1 second. Greasy. For some reason, I don't know why. But I got it all this. I was not thinking to do some pancakes because last time I did make pancakes, the whole alarm went off, and I didn't want to do it again. And this is like deja vu because I made this yesterday and me and my sister was only home yesterday for a little bit. So, yes. And let me check out my dad's location. I don't know why I'm going to bring this. Oh my gosh. I have like the whole thing open. My garage is open. My 3 windows is open over here. Everything is open. Give me 1 second. I can't remember. Getting my stuff. Then, oh my god, my camera's about to like, give me 1 second. Update, everything's going great so far right now. No alarm's going off. It's really lucky, guys, because last night when I was making pancakes, it was off. Like, everything was on. So there was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 alarm was off, and like that was so crazy yesterday. I will insert that clip from yesterday. To do. I don't know, dramatic event, and the alarm is off again. It's not even that smoky, bro. I'm so excited. I hate this stupid alarm things. Is up here. We have one upstairs in my sister's room. Up here. And we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We only have 5 alarms like that. So I just hate it so much. So yes, at this point it's like a FaceTime me you after you FaceTime me. So I haven't done this vlog in a while, but yes, I guess I'll just do it. And it's freaking freezing. Very sensitive. For these videos, I did not film the outro. I totally forgot to film the outro, but here it is, me filming the outro. I edit on the MacBook for the first time. So you guys will see that video very soon. Will come out next month. Not this video, but I mean unboxing it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Here's the outro. Yay!